Hello everyone. Today I'm making minced and fried shrimp. I prepared 4 shrimp, cleaned and minced them. Then I added seasonings to taste. I fried them until cooked through in a hot pan. And added a little chopped green onion. That's it. Enjoy it with a bowl of hot rice. I hope you enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment to motivate me to make more videos. Thank you.